On my way to the rental property again, folks. This is supposedly passive income. Passive. I don't know how many times I've been out here in the last month, guys, but I can tell you one thing, I wouldn't be anywhere near Denver as often as I am. I'd be out exploring the world if it weren't for this specific project at this particular time. Now, with that in mind, I've got a really important message for you. We've had a lot of people out here because guess what? The last tenants, they didn't treat the place so nicely.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Make sure you check out the last video that we dropped regarding that. I'll link it in the description for you. But it was gross, okay? Let's just say that. In fact, we had to hire another deep cleaner because they supposedly should have done it with, their time and money, but they left it for us. We had a junk hauler come in. We had a chimney guy come out and sweep. We had an AC furnace guy come out and tune up.
Got the little twisty knobs. That ain't doing it.
We had a gutter guy come out and replace. We had a concrete guy come out and bid. We had a general contractor come out and go under contract, and he'll be doing the bigger stuff, folks. Finally, I think we had a painter. I don't know if that covers all of them, but you can tell it's a lot. By and large, things are moving along. I don't have a really terrific game plan with this because fixing and flipping properties isn't something I've done in a long time. I'm really fixing this to hold it longer. We've decided to keep it. It's free and clear, which means it brings in a lot of money. We expect it to bring in somewhere around $2,800 to $3,000 per month. That'll be an increase from around $2,500 to $2,475 prior. That's because we're fixing it up. So my goal is to try and keep this at as close to $25,000 or less as possible. One of the beautiful things about fixing up a property to rent is that you can commit somewhere in the neighborhood of 1/2 to 2/3 the amount of funds to do it because you're not getting the nicest stuff. You're not planning to sell, okay? Because you're gonna have to do this again when you do want to sell. So why get the nicest material? Now with that, I want you guys to really follow a lesson that's a big part of the success that we've put together over the years, which is inspecting what you expect. Okay, I love delegating things. I'm not gonna be the person that's out here doing those tasks I just listed. Yes, I come out from time to time and assist. I came out and did a lot of the junk haul stuff, just some of the basic things. If I have the time, I'll pop in briefly. But my time is better spent elsewhere. It's more productive elsewhere. It's more efficient elsewhere. So I hire folks in order to delegate the tasks that I either won't be compensated well enough for, the benefits don't outweigh the work, or that I just hate. I'm not gonna do things I hate. I choose to live life doing things that I love. And that's what I teach here is lifestyle. But when you delegate, you have to inspect what you expect. You cannot just simply give a job to somebody and just trust that it happened the way you wanted it to. More often than you would like, things do not go the way you want them to initially. And what I've learned about delegation is when you hire good people, they're still good people even when they fall short of your expectations, which means that you can easily have a conversation with them. Most of the time these days, it's just by text. Just be kind, respectful, yet firm, and explain, hey, this is what I saw versus this is what I expected, and how can we make this right? And there has to be a common ground there somewhere. Even if it means you've got to spend a little more money, even if it means I've got to spend a little bit more time, there's a balance. It's an equal exchange of value. But most of the time, if somebody hasn't measured up to what they promised, they're excited about making it right for you. They do want to go above and beyond. Give people the benefit of the doubt. Just be on your game. Just because you're delegating something away doesn't mean that you're able to avoid the project. You have to be there, be on site. Like I said, I've been out to this property countless times, and there will be a lot more of these visits. And this is why people like Kevin from Meet Kevin, great channel, talk about proximity and investing in homes for the long term that are within 30 minutes of you. This property is located about 25 minutes from my place downtown. So anyway, just food for thought. Inspect what you expect. That'll make a big difference for you as you go out there and build teams and delegate away the hard work so that you can grow much faster. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next video. Until then, make it a great day today. Take great care.